Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra. Thank you for joining me today. I just wanted to do a quick video on a very quick stationery haul because I ordered a couple of things a while ago. It actually took a while for these things to come in because I ordered them from the States, and this time Shipsy took a long time to send everything. So I had purchased a mystery kit from Jane's Agenda. So a while ago they had mystery kits on sale. I purchased one mystery kit in the mini size, and then I had purchased two of the paperclip mystery kits because they're my favorite thing. Okay, so I've got this little thing of paper clips. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. Now with Jane's Agenda, when it comes to the mystery kits, the things are completely random. So if you order two mystery kits, you're taking a chance that you could get duplicates, okay? The other thing with Jane's Agenda is that the one thing I can say about this mystery kit, I don't know how it happened, but the value in it was so good. I feel like the value in this one was more than I had in previous mystery kits. I don't know if that's true for everybody, but for me, I feel like it is. And then basically what the mystery kits are comprised of are items from past subscription boxes that they still have leftovers of. So when they're trying to clear out their stock and like no one's purchasing the kits anymore or pieces of the kit, they put it all together in a big pile, and then they make these mystery bags, and they'll have like a limited number, and then they put them up for grabs. And so I just wanted to clarify that. So some of these items I have already received at one point, and I'm talking like before, when I was still like classic half letter, like these washi tapes. I don't remember exactly when some of these things were released. I had received these like a year and a half ago, okay? So it's funny that I got them again. So the first time I gave them to my daughter, and now I'm not sure if I'm going to give them away. I might just keep these ones because I don't know, these colors are going to go, like, I don't know what Easter is going to look like yet, but they might be really pretty washi tapes for Easter. And I do like to have different sizes of washi tape. And sometimes it's also nice to have like a full color and to kind of go with different designs. So I might hold on to these at least until Easter because they are pastel and they're pretty, but they are meant to be like a highlighter washi tape. So that was what they were meant for. Okay, the next item was these pencil crayons. So I'm pretty sure, let me see if I'm not mistaken, they came with this, no, maybe it didn't. You still could color this. This is actually kind of funny. But these pencil crayons came with that pack. And so, except these, I'm just going to look here. These look like all the same color. It looks like these are all black. Why did I get 3 black colors? Hold on. I'm just going to look because it's going to bug me. Are they all black? Yeah. Okay. Oh, no, that one's blue. That looks like black. The other ones were fine. Let's see. That's the dark black. Maybe this is gray. Nope. Okay, I got 2 of the same color, 2 black ones. Doesn't really look like there's a lot in here, does it? You get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It's such a small pack, but I like that they're black. I mean, that's kind of cool. It's kind of a cool thing. And then it also has a built-in sharpener right in the top. So anyway, those came with the coloring sheets one year. Okay, so then you have this Christmas pack. It's a holiday planner, plan, shop, and celebrate. But I got it in my mini size. It says holiday bucket list, Christmas countdown. So I mean, you could color this in, right? It says stocking stuffer tracker, which I really like that idea. My wish list, close friends and family. So when you're purchasing for your parents or your kids or your siblings, extended friends and family. So you just pretty much buy one gift per person. Then you've got your holiday budget, gift budget per person, Black Friday deals, okay, online order tracker. I feel like I need one of these even when it's not Christmas. And then you had note paper, which is really a nice touch. So for me, I kind of have a conundrum when it comes to personal inserts in my planning for this size, because I like maybe eventually, but I don't have a personal planner that's this size. I use this size now for my business planning, and I use it with my B6 planner and my Melody from Planners Anonymous. And so this for now I'll put it in my storage box with my other inserts I won't be using currently, and hopefully it'll be okay. Okay, so I also got 2 of the quote cards, Focus and In My Wellness Era. And then we got a whole bunch of dashboards, you guys. Like, I am so happy with the selection of dashboards, because the dashboards for me is really where I want to have the focus in my little mini planner. And that's why I stuck with the subscription box up until this point, because I wanted to get the dashboards and the covers. The inserts, I'm like, it's okay. You know, like it depends. If they're work related, then I can use them. But if it's a personal thing, then I can't use it. So anyway, this is the first dashboard. It's double-sided. Then I have a vellum. I love the vellums. Then I've got this little fox. This was from last Christmas, from 2025, I believe, or came out in December, or was it November? I can't remember. But this one too. So that came in a pack of 3. They're all double-sided. Then you have February. So this is perfect for right now. So I could put this in my planner. Then you also have the typewriter one, the little rose, double-sided. I don't remember this one. This is a train station. That's really pretty. Okay, you also have the roses. And it's funny because I have each of these. I think I purchased these at one point, you guys, but for half letter. So I've got the Wonder, the black one with the white UV printing on it. And then I've got another vellum with Balance. But yeah, I have those 2 in half letter size. Okay, and then I got another 2026 dashboard cover, which is so pretty. Even though it says 2026, I think I could still like get away with using these whenever. Like, I wouldn't care, you know, like if I was to continue using this as a planner. And then I also got the cashmere scarf. I don't know what I did with my old one. I think I still have it, but I do have this scarf. I don't think I actually gave it away, but it's pretty. It's nice. I'm not like, my favorite color isn't green. But I mean, it's a natural looking color. I just don't know if I have anything that goes good with it, but it's pretty. It's really nice to wear in fall. Okay, so that was my mystery kit from Jane's Agenda. And then as for the paperclip mystery kits, I kind of put them all away. And basically what I do is I just dump them in my little like paperclip folder. So I'm going to pull some out and then just show you which ones I got. So my little kit here, this is kind of like, this is how, these are all from Jane's Agenda, I think. Most of them anyway, for the most part. So these aren't exactly the ones I got because I know I didn't get a new bike. So these are the similar ones that I got. I know I didn't get any snowflakes because I would remember that. But I did get a couple of the Christmas trees. These are so cute. I use these during Christmas, of course. I got a couple of the bats because I got 2 packs. So it was nice. And you get 12 paper clips per pack. I know I got these. Those are, you know, they're cute. I also got these square ones, which I love. I love that they're like, you know, they're geometric in design, but they're very minimal. And I love minimal sometimes. I know I got 2 of these. I love these too. These ones, I'm assuming that they're supposed to be a book, but I wasn't quite sure. But I think they're a book. I don't know. I'm trying to think now. I actually don't know what these are supposed to be, but they're brown, like they're bronze, kind of. And I know that these came from last July, I think. It was the one with the whale, the silver printed whales on the front. I ended up buying those cardstocks and the cover after, so I'm going to switch those out in my planner sometime over summer. Although, I was like, I don't have a matching summer planner for that, but the covers are gorgeous. But those came in that kit. Okay, I know I got two of these flowers actually. I love these. I got a couple of these black ones. Again, geometric designs. They're very simple and I love that. A couple of these, and then the square ones, and then the round one, and then the heart. So that was from Jane's Agenda. And then I also got something from Tailored Plan. So I'll show you in my planner first because I already put some of the things away for Valentine's week because they matched perfectly with my setup. So I got this clip here, this guy, and it goes perfectly with my Valentine's week. So that was the point, and I'm so glad it came in time. So that was one of the items. And then I got a new ribbon. Isn't it so pretty? This is my Valentine's ribbon. So I put that in my planner. And I also got two other ribbons. Well, I'm going to show you guys the freebies that she sent me. So she gave me some washi tapes from, I'm pretty sure that this is from London Gifties. I know this one is, and I love this. Like, I'm obsessed with the foil on these. I wanted to get my hands on some foiled washi from London Gifties. But Taylor from Taylor Plan is also now a reseller for London Gifties. So if you guys live in the States, you get a way better deal on it. You can order from Taylor, and it would be cheaper because you don't have to pay shipping anymore. So that's just a little piece of advice. So I got that freebie. I got some of these guys here. These are all London Gifties. Isn't it pretty? Okay, so I got those. And then the other two ribbons are very spring-like. So this one is like this teal color with this white lace and this little like piece of wool. So pretty. I love that color. And then this one is more of a rainbow thing, but it's got this like plaid, which is so cool. It's also got lace, and then it's got the rainbow butterflies, and then this tie-dye piece. It's kind of like, you know, for spring. So I love these so much. When I go back to my rainbow theme, like after I'm done with Valentine's week, I think I'm going to switch out for this one in my planner. Even though my planner is red. We'll see. I might not. We'll see. But I remember I did a butterfly theme once in one of my planners, and this would have gone perfect with that. So you guys, that is it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed watching that. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, I am an affiliate with Jane's Agenda. The link is down below. Please, just so you know, I do earn a small commission from any purchases using any of the links below. But that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys again in the next video. Just FYI, I believe it will be Coco Deasy. I will be getting my March kits, I think Tuesday or Wednesday. So I will see you again very soon. Bye.